Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Right now I'm going to share with you a Dollar Tree haul that I just did this week. I found some good stuff. I found some stickers that some of us have been looking for. I found some little organizing things. I found some cute stencils. And I can't remember what else, but we're about to find out. So one of the first things I wanted to show you was, you might remember in a previous haul I had hauled this clear container that's over with all the other clear like serving trays, and I said I might regret not picking up another one. I really like this. Let me show you. I got another one for my Joann's project tray because it's just really nice when you're working on projects and you're doing a lot of die cutting. So it just kind of helps you separate everything. Like in this sample, these are like some die cuts that haven't done anything with these yet. And then here's like some shakers that I had finished. And then over here is like some shaker pieces. So I wanted to keep those separate from the other pieces. But anyway, so that's how I've been using it, and it's been working out really good. So now I have two of them. So that is good. And then, oops, that's gonna fall. Okay. Then, in that same section, I found these little teeny tiny cups, and I have an idea for these. I got a lot on my plate right now, so I'm going to put them to the side, and if everything works out, I'll show you what I make with those. Then I picked up two more of these super cute narwhal pens because they're really good quality, and I just can't believe these are $1. Look at the beautiful sequins on them. They're so cute when you're doing like a rainbow or like a unicorn type project, and you just want to send a little gift with your swap or whatever. And had to get a little snack for the craft room. And then I saw this Lady Speed Stick body wash, and I thought that was a really good deal for $1, and it smells good, so I got one of those. Then I got a couple of these for the car. We keep these in our car and just kind of like wipe things down as needed. And I got another one of these. I had given it away in a giveaway, and I had only found one originally, so I'm so happy I found another one. That one's going to be for me probably. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe I'll give it away. Then I found, let's see. I got some more of these because I like to put little sequins mixes in them. They're just the perfect size. So I got some of those. Those are just called storage containers. And then I picked up some blue twine. And I'm preparing for a giveaway challenge that I'm going to do when I hit 500 subscribers. So I'm like starting to pick up things now for that. I'm trying to get like my ideas together of what I want to do. So a couple of things I picked up for that, which these are really, I love these. A lot of people search for these and they're hard to find apparently. But I got these lip scrubbers, which they're really nice. They're made out of silicone, and you know when like your lips get chapped and peely, and you can just scrub your lips with this, and it kind of removes all that peeling, so that when you put your lipstick on, it doesn't look awful, or even your lip gloss. So I got some of those, and then I also got these, which are for your face, but I think these would be really good for crafting. These are silicone facial mask applicators, so you would just use them to spread a mask on your face, but I think these could be good when you need to hold something down with hot glue. You need to spread something around, maybe paint or something through a stencil or whatever. I don't know. I just thought these could be really multi-purpose, so I got some of those. And then these are so adorable, you guys. I got some of these. It's called Give It to God. And then inside it has a cute little pencil and a notepad. So, blessed is she who believed that the Lord would fulfill his promises to her. Luke 1:45. So I thought that was really cute. It's a little prayer box. And so, you know, you can put your worries on there and just give it to God. So I got 4 of those. They're there's that one. Let's see what the little paper pad looks like inside. Oh, and this one says, I am the Lord who heals you, Exodus 15:26. And then this one, and then on the inside, this one says, God is within her, she will not fall, sorry, she will not fall. And then this one. And this one says, she is clothed with strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future. Proverbs 31:25. So I thought those were really precious. And I mean, those might make a nice gift for a swap or even a giveaway. Then I got some of this. You guys know I like their pastel tissue paper in the 24 sheets, but I found this like primary color one. So I thought that was good. And like I said, with the pastel ones, I don't always see them there, and I haven't seen these primary ones in a really long time. So I got a few of those to just have on hand. And that's it for that bag. And then we've just got one more bag over here. I got a ton of stickers. So last time I hauled the jewel stickers, so many people told me that they can't find these. So I got some more of those. I got these crosses, and I couldn't find these for a long time either, you guys. So they just showed up. So just keep going back to your stores. I got these. And these ones. And these gorgeous hearts. And these kind of remind me of like Egypt or something. I don't know why. And I got these really cool keys. I thought those were so pretty, those keys. I don't think I'd seen them before. So my friend Wanda told me that she can't find these, and she lives in Kentucky. So Miss Wanda Ortiz, I got one of each for you, my friend. If you would like these, just tell me, and you can send me a private message on Facebook or Instagram, or you can email me. My Instagram and email's below. And these are yours, my friend. I'm going to link Wanda's channel below. I think her channel is called A Day in My Life. I think you guys will absolutely love her. She is former military, and her husband is active military. So thank you to them for their service and their sacrifice. And she has such a fun channel where she does hauls and project shares. She's a newer channel. She just hit 100 subscribers. She's going to be doing a giveaway, or she is in the midst of doing a giveaway, I should say. She has two adorable daughters. One she calls Photo Bomber, which is her older daughter, because her older daughter is adorable. She'll just come in and she will take over a video in a heartbeat. And she also just kind of photo bombs in the videos and just shows up in the background. And then her baby is affectionately called Eye Candy, because she is the cutest thing you've ever seen. So please go to my friend Wanda's channel and check her out, and tell her I sent you. So there's that. And then we've got a couple more stickers. Let's see. I found some ones that are new to me. I hadn't seen these butterflies before, so I got those. And I hadn't seen the Happy Birthday in gold, so I got those ones. And I got these bugs, which I thought were so pretty. They're 3D. And I hadn't seen these butterflies. I had seen the butterflies where they're like all a single color family, but like they would have like brown ones and pink ones all together, but I hadn't seen the multicolor. I hadn't seen this either with the adorable birdhouses. Look how pretty those are. So it says spring, and these ones have a little bit of glitter on them. And then I found these cute stickers. I love the unicorn and the lipstick. And I found these kind of like retro ones, which I thought were so cute. And I found these summer ones, which I just love the bikini and the flip-flops. Then I found this summer one. And then there's this pretty one with the two different trucks, the sunflowers. And I found this nautical one, which I thought was so pretty. I love the how it looks like the shell and starfish are hanging on a banner. So I thought that was really pretty, and I love that big blue whale. And I picked up some of these. I had seen these before and I didn't get them, and then I don't know, I was just like, I should have got those. So I got them when I saw them. And then I got these cute unicorn ones. I just love the gold eyelashes. I got a couple of these actually. And I love the dream catcher and the castle. This could just be used for so many different kinds of themes. And I got the flowers, which are so pretty. And let's see, I found these pretty butterflies. I love the bird. No, I'm lying. That's the other one. I got the butterflies, and then the bird is on this one. I love the bird and the birdhouse. And I've gotten this one before, but I've given it away, so I had to get a new one. And then there's this cute summer one. Love those gold sunglasses and the anchor. And let's see, that's it for those stickers. Then I got these ones, which I've gotten before, but of course I've given them away. Same thing with these. And these beautiful ones as well. And I got some more of these butterflies. Then I found some more stencils, you guys. And these are just so cute to decorate the outside of your boxes of your Happy Mail. So I found these flowers. And I got this one, and it has feathers on it. So it has all different kinds of feathers. And I found this one with all different kinds of hearts. And this one with all different flowers. And guys, that's my Dollar Tree haul for this week. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye.